In this video guide, I will show with you how you can cancel your Speechify subscription. So friends, let's get started. If you want to cancel your premium subscription, follow me in this video. Go to your profile here and then go to your subscription. You have this subscription section. Click this one. When you click this one, friends, you will see this steps. As you can see here, you will see this option, cancel subscription. Just click on cancel your subscription and then confirm that. So friends, this is how you can do. You can cancel from here. If you have any problem, you can reach this support team, support/speechy. From this section you can write about support. From here, click cancel your subscription. In this case, I don't have premium subscription, so if in your case, if you can support, you can reach also the support team by write your subject. For example, I have for example problem on my subscription. So guys, from here, write and fill your all details about your subscription, such your names, your account, your email. Alright, so all details here. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this